feet. Flood stage is 5.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring, and minor flooding is forecast. The river will continue rising to near 5.1 feet by after midnight this morning. The river will fall below flood stage tomorrow morning. Impact at 5.0 feet. Minor lowland and backyard flooding is likely along reaches of the river in Maynard, Concord, as well as Hudson. Several river roads may also become covered in water. The flood warning continues for the Sudbury River at Saxonville until Sunday morning, or until the warning is canceled. At 11:15 p.m. Friday, the stage was 10.0 feet. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Forecast: the river will continue to fall to below flood stage by after midnight Saturday night. Impact at 10.0 feet. Flooding will affect low-lying areas along the river and Wayland.